welcome to our van once again.
Today we're talking about van life's best kept secrets, or I guess we should say our van life best kept secrets.
And after this video, they will not be secret anymore. The caveat here is that we did not find these somewhere else. These
we learned through our own experiences.
So if you're like, oh, I've already heard that one, well, good for you. No, for real though, some of these might be out there, but these were new to us, right? Number one, and we're gonna start with a heavy hitter, one that just kind of blew our mind. If you're living in a van, you don't know where I'm gonna go with this. A lot of times you love hiking, outdoors, and that a lot of times brings you to places without cell phone service. Now you know where I'm going. You take it from here.
It can be quite nerve-wracking not knowing where you're going because your GPS isn't working, you don't have service for Google Maps.
Can you believe people used to navigate using the stars? Now we can't even get from point A to point B without a cell phone. Anyways.
We found a hack, or I guess I should say someone shared a hack with us, that you can download Google Maps.
Whoa. And yeah, you essentially can download a region that you're in and use Maps, Wi-Fi, or LTE free.
It's obviously come in clutch when we're driving and don't have service, let's say in a national park. However, we have noticed that Google Maps also has the hiking trails on there too. So if you're a little nervous that you're like not going the right direction on a hiking trail and you don't have service, you can even see those as well.
Again, maybe people know it, but it was a secret for us, and now it's not a secret at all, so you're welcome. Numero 2.
Libraries.
Not just great for getting books these days. No, for real, we have tapped into the public library system like never before. I've gone to more libraries this year combined than my entire lifetime. Some reasons that they're great.
Well, they have great Wi-Fi. You can often reserve a private room for free.
We don't both need to have fingers up.
And lastly, they're pretty much in every town, so you can almost guarantee you'll find one.
All right, save maps, public libraries. Number 3 for secrets you may not know. Best kept secrets of van life. This one's a little specific to us because, believe it or not, we're not some trust fund van life vloggers. I don't know what I'm saying. We don't have an unlimited bank account, so we love a good deal. One of these being... Did you even notice that?
That worked out great.
We've talked about this in a previous video, but Panera Bread
Okay.
has a coffee subscription deal, $8.99 a month for unlimited coffee.
And tea.
And tea. And again, Paneras are everywhere.
So, when you need a break out of the van to just sit in a cafe on some Wi-Fi, Paneras are kind of a great option. Speaking of getting out of the van, another deal that we've bumped into.
Regal Theaters has $5 movie nights on Tuesday and Sunday every week. So again, those are some secret deals that we found on the road.
And honestly, just 2 of a handful, so maybe we'll do a whole separate video on that.
And 2 more best kept secrets of van life. And chances are this one is probably
the least secret one. Least secretive.
People know this one, I think.
Yeah.
It was new to us.
It's upside down.
Dang it. What's this, Mal?
Oh, just the America the Beautiful pass. Guys, talk about a deal. Bang for your buck.
Amongst other things, this gets you into all the national parks in the United States, and you pay a one-time annual fee of $80 for this for the year. And I think the minimum to go into most national parks is around $25 to $30. So you go into 3-4 national parks and it pays for itself. Big win right here.
And last but not least,
a little app called Getupside. Don't love the name, if I can be honest. It doesn't roll off the tongue, but the function of this app is amazing. At the time of making this video, gas is not cheap.
Not great.
Not great right now, so any penny we can save at the gas pumps is
well worth it.
I'll throw up a screen recording here and show you kind of how this works. So simply put, you essentially just find a gas station that's connected with this app, you check in, and then depending on the gas station, you save a certain amount per gallon.
And as you can see up in the right-hand corner, you do get that money back.
We've been on the road for about 10 months now and racked up a pretty penny. So this app has been
10 out of 10.
We love it.
All right, well, those were some of our best kept secrets that are no longer secrets. If you have any of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below.
To recap, save Google Maps, libraries,
Panera and movie theater deals, the America the Beautiful Pass,
and your Getupside app. Nothing groundbreaking, but have been very nice for us on the road, so we thought we would share them with you. Alright, at this time, we'd love to ask you to simply subscribe to the channel, like it, heart it, bell it, chime it. I don't know all the things still.
twist it,
Bop it.
pull it.
Comment if you have any questions or just want to say hey. We will likely respond because we do that. So until next time.
Ew.
Adios.